26th question. At the point of contact, angle between the tangent and radius is. This is the basic and important theorem in circles chapter. At the point of contact, this is the radius and this is the tangent. The point of contact is Q, this point. Okay. This point will be always perpendicular to each other. This is the theorem. You can refer the textbook. I repeat, at the point of contact, this point, the tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Correct option for this question is 90. Eighth question, in the figure TP is how much? So this clearly this is a right angle triangle because the radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. TP is a tangent because it's touching the circle at one point. OT is the radius. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other, which is 90 degrees. So clearly that OTP triangle is a right angle triangle and it is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25, one side is 7, the other side will become 24 using the Pythagoras triad. This is the one way of finding the Pythagoras triad. The Pythagoras triads are 24, 25 and 7. It is a pair, you have to remember, students. So correct option for this question is 24. And there is another method also using the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem says? OP square is equal to OT square plus TP square. Okay, sum of squares of other two sides. OP square is 25 square, OT is 7, OT square becomes 7 square, which is not, and other side become TP square. 25 square value is 625, 7 square value is 49, TP square. So I want 625 minus 49, how much? 576 is equal to TP square. So TP is equal to root 576, which is nothing but 24. This is the another method. So actually this is the actually method to find the other side. If you remember the Pythagoras triads or triples, it will be easy. 24, 25, 7 makes one Pythagoras triad. So 24 is the correct option for this question. 30th question. In the figure, the value of A and B is. So clearly, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Name of the triangle is AQP and ORP. They are congruent to each other based on RHS axiom. So if these two triangles are congruent, this angle and this angle will be equal. If this is 35 degrees, angle A will also be 35 degrees. So this is also 35. So in this triangle, to find the value of B, I have to use the angle sum property. In a triangle, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angle Q plus angle O plus angle P should be equal to 180. We already know angle Q is 90. Do you know the reason? Yes. Radius and tangent are always perpendicular to each other. So angle Q is 90. Angle O is, I don't know angle O. We have to find B. I will write B as it is. Angle P is 35 degrees. So which is nothing but 180. 90 plus 35 is how much, students? 125. So 125 B is 180. Angle B is equal to 180 minus 125, which is 55 degrees. So the B value is 55 degrees. So correct option for this question is A 35 and B 55. 27th question. A line passing through 2 points on a circle is called. If a line touches the 2 points at a circle, we call it as secant of a circle. Secant. If it is touches the circle at one point, a line touches the circle at one point, we call it as tangent of a circle. The question asked is a line touching the circle at 2 points, which is secant. Correct option for this question is secant. 33rd question. The angle between the two radius of a circle is 130 degrees. Then the angle between the tangents drawn at the end of the radius is. So the angle between the radius of a circle is 130 degrees, and we are going to find the angle drawn between the tangents at the end of the radius. Mean we are going to find this angle. So we all know that radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. So this angle will be 90 degrees and angle B will also be 90 degrees. The reason is radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. So based on the sum angle of a quadrilateral, angle A plus angle B plus angle P plus angle O should be equal to 360 degrees. So angle A will be 90 degrees. You know the reason. Angle B will also be the 90 degrees. Already we discussed the reason. And but we don't know the angle P. I'm writing as it is. But angle O is mentioned in the question as 130 degrees, which is equal to 360 degrees. 90 plus 90 plus 130, 180, 280, 310. This implies angle P is equal to 360 minus 310, which gives you 50 degrees. So correct option for this question is 50. D. 32nd question. In the given figure, PA and PB are two tangents with center O. If PA is 5 centimeters, APB is 6 centimeters, then find the length of the chord. So we are going to find the length of the chord AB in this problem. Clearly, APB, this triangle, is a isosceles triangle. Am I right? Because tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal. This is 5 centimeters. Obviously, this is also will be 5 centimeters. And it is a isosceles triangle. I am assuming this angle as x, and this are obviously this will also be x because opposite sides of isosceles triangle are equal. So x plus 60 should be equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle x plus 60 is 180. 2x plus 60 is equal to 180. 2 angle x is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120. Angle x will be 60 degrees. So this angle will be 60, and also this. If all angles are equal, then it is a equilateral triangle. We all know that in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. If it is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, obviously the length of the chord will also be 5 centimeters. So correct option for this question is C. 35th question. O is the center of the circle. The length of the tangent AB is 24, and the center distance from center to the tangent is 25 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. So we are going to find the radius of the circles. Already we discussed this Pythagoras triad in 30th question. If it is 25, 24, obviously this one will be 7 centimeters. It is a right angle triangle because tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other. So correct option for this question is 7, and I am going to share the B option for 35th question.